In the given flower bed array, we need to plant n equal to 2 flowers, at indices where the value is 0, and also, flowers cannot be planted in adjacent plots. For this, we will iterate through the array, and at each index, we will check whether the value is 0. If yes, then we will check if the left side and right side of the current index is empty or not. If both left and right are empty, we can plant the flower. Let's continue. Here too we will plant the flower. So, since we were able to plant n equal to 2 flowers, we will return true. Now, let's code the solution. If n is 0, then we can directly return true, because we don't have to plant anything. To track the number of planted flowers, we will use this variable. We will iterate through the flower bed array, and for each index, we will check whether the left and right index are empty. And also if we are at an index with value 0, we will set the current index value to 1, and increment the flower plantation count. If the number of planted flowers equals n, we will return true. Else, at last, by default we will return false. Let's run the solution. It's working. See you in the next video.